Last time you had dumplings, you were still hungry afterwards. Snug as a bug in a rug. Her pants are up so high.
There we go. We got our camera crew.
We're mostly going to be looking at baby Zoe for a long time.
You like your sister? Say, I love my sister. I love her.
This is Mom. Guys, see this one works. I'm going on a road trip and I bring apple and book carbonation. Carburetor and donuts and an elephant.
Oh Lord, we better have a big car.
I'm going on a road trip and I'm bringing an apple, a book, a carburetor, donuts, elephant, and I'm also bringing. You killed my elephant. Foods.
A what?
Foods.
That's not a word.
Flakes.
Foods.
Foods?
Flakes.
You're bringing flakes.
Yeah.
All right.
Coconut flakes.
Well, you can't say coconut flakes.
Flakes. Flakes of
Getting some gas.
coconut. You can say that.
I'm going on a trip and I'm bringing an apple, a book, carburetor, donuts, elephant, flakes, elephant flakes, and a guinea pig.
Oh,
Okay.
cute.
I'm going on the trip and I'm bringing an apple,
Oh.
books, carburetor, donuts, elephant, foods.
Nope, she said flakes.
Oh, flakes.
You lose. Yeah. You have to start. It doesn't matter if you
Guinea pig.
lose. And A B C D E F G
And
H.
a hamster.
I think Dad would prefer that. Duplicate. Are you gonna get the?
No.
I want spicy dough. I want spicy dough and baki.
No. You gotta pick one.
Alright, so for those of you who don't own rice cookers, traditional like a Korean rice cooker, so They are expensive, but they do it all. So we have
Let's see if
you got that new 2020 edition rice cooker. What you know about?
fine.
What you know about
it.
that?
You like this
Sean,
book? Look, Alexis.
How do you-
This one's
I
fine.
don't even know how to open it. That's how high tech it
Oh.
is. Kitchen.
How do you use this one? Oh, I already found it. This one's the real
I'm surprised a rainbow didn't pop out of there.
I want to make
That's cool.
these thingies.
Nadine, we're here to get slime.
No, if we get a box, that's going to be hard.
I don't know the ingredients.
No, it's right here. Color slime kit. That's all you. This is all you need.
Oh.
Look at that. You guys can get like a couple of them. Just get like 2. Dean, you pick one. Sister, you pick one.
No, glow in the dark. I get the colors. I get the color change and you get the glow. No, I want. Why did you get to pick 2?
No, pick one.
Well, these look fun.
Is this going to be my own balloon set?
Your slides.
This is going to be mine. Like, I want my slime to glow in the dark so I create this. Every time I find the slime.
Take this one.
Dean, which one did you pick?
Glow in the dark.
Sweet.
That won't blow.
Is Alexis having a hard time?
Yep. There it is. Does she
Look at
want-
that. Got a surround sound on Cooler Ross. No, but we're an LG family. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to get some of these.
Good night to the slime. Okay. Are we doing? Is it recording? And what we have little activator, more activator. Yeah, we love activator. 2 bottles of activator. Wait, what's this? And then we have 2 kinds of blues. Okay. You could use no way call me glow in the dark blue slime, or you can use glow in the dark white slime. No, it's peach slime. Why does it smell like glue? Oh yeah, it is glue. It says 5 ounces, 50 ounces. No, 5 ounces. Wait, is this 5 ounces? What are Dad? What are tablespoons? We need tablespoons. I call it booger. Oh, Gigi. Is that slime? You're never getting out of my hands. He's evil. I'm not. That boy ain't giving up. What?
Just do all of it. Alexis is looking more like slime. Dean's looks like a runny nose.
Hey. I feel like I'm gonna pee my pants.
I don't know. We did a lot of things tough. You need to crisscross. There. Ready?
I don't know. I don't know.
Lean back.
Go.
Yep.
Come on. Lean back. Remember. Oh, it's still recording too. Okay.
Okay.
Just get it out. Feel free to say anything, honey. Hey everybody!
Hello.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We had a lot of fun putting it together. If you haven't seen any of the other videos on our channels, we do have one where I do an Alba Baby cloth diaper review, as well as the intro that my husband put together, introducing everyone to our family. Please subscribe to our channel. Leave us any comments in the section below if you'd like to see this particular type of content in the future. And have a good day. See you around.
Bye.